Now, just to demonstrate on what this thing can do, you see all this policy andesite? So, I've been doing some research since the last time, because, say one thing, I'm definitely not a pro at this, but I've learned a lot from researching. So, I'm not gonna say I have an understanding, but I definitely now have a mod that I'm definitely more invested to now. So, this video I'm basically going to be focusing on Tinker's Construct, which I got just fine, no, not bad. Tinker's Construct and Mechanism. Fuck, whatever. Give me a second. This thing, yes. Because I've been watching this one YouTuber, really chill guy, and I've been learning a lot from him. And let's just say that I now know a lot more than what I did. And doing some experimenting, and I still suck, and I've been learning a lot more. So, welcome back everybody, Happy New Year's. Hope you all had a great time, yes. I certainly did. Today, I'm just gonna be playing just some normal Minecraft. Well, it's not normal Minecraft, it's be doing the normal day. So, I can smell charcoal again? Alright, well, let's just use that. Get some sand in there, get some more here soon. And now, I am going to start fully investing into 2 mods, but I'm not going to go absolutely crazy. What type of tools can I make? Okay, so I cannot... Alright, I got you. So this tool station, whack. Don't need that. But what I do need, if I'm correct, is tool forge. Am I right? Yes, I am. I need 3 steel bricks, a tool station, and 4 blocks of iron. Which, good news, I have 5 blocks. So let's start with... Fuck, I should have made another one. Alright. Well, that'll take some time anyway. So if we can get that fucking tool station made, that'll be extremely beneficial for me. And since I already got some grout being made right now, it won't be too much of a hassle. Well, not grout, but you know what I mean. Well, no, it is called grout. Oh no, look, my brain's not working. Brain be dum dum. But anyway, I could start. I could make another one of these because I will have enough. Just gonna make process be a little bit faster. Have one back there, one there. I need 3 more blocks of iron, which ain't too much. I'm gonna need a little bit more of this, but that's my first step. I just need 2 more sear bricks. And I'm gonna go out and get some more lava. But I've been also thinking a lot more what the things I could do. Man, this takes forever for it to cool off. I don't remember taking this long. Alright. I'm gonna take out my last blocks. I'm gonna use that last block of iron for something else. I don't have a lot of gold, obviously. But I should have enough. Almost enough. I need 2 more. Come on, buddy. Hurry up a little bit. But, like I said, I've been thinking a lot on what type of things I should be doing. And since now I am, because, English now. Whew. Alright, what I'm trying to say is that now that I'm understanding what I'm doing a little bit more, I know I said that last time, I'm trying to make a Tinker's Construct Forge, which, ooh, that did not go very well, because I kind of forgot what things I needed, or there's like 2 names for it, and I just still don't know what some of these parts do. But if I can start making a lot of this stuff, firstly being actually having some decent amount of tools to go out and mine. Well, so now that we have that, I can now make an excavator and a hammer and a cleaver, which I'm definitely going to need here soon. So the things I'm going to need for this: a hammer, obviously. I already have a large plate. I need a tough tool rod and a hammerhead. Where is my tough tool rod? That should be this one. Yep. I don't have enough gold to make another, so we'll just do this. Actually, I don't even have enough gold to make this. Alright, well. Oh, wait a minute. I knew I was doing something wrong. There we go. Now that we have that, just put that there. So we just need some gold for like this. But for now, I know I needed the iron for something else, but I already forgot. This is why my brain doesn't work half the time. But, anyways, how about we go out and do some mining? Okay, we'll need at least 2 pickaxes worth. I got some buckets. Oh yeah, I got plenty of things to make now. Alright. Put this inside the house. So I'm definitely going to need to use this again soon. There we go. Got these enough charcoal as well. I'll bring the shovels. I'll leave the axes here. Make some sticks. Boom. Now we have torches. Boom. Keep that with me. Alright. The good thing about all this is that I already have a good spawn point with lots of mining. See, right there. We have a really good source already. I think we need to do, get some water. So we're looking for mainly iron. Yeah, pretty much just iron right now. Iron, gold, and coal. Alright. There we go. Ow. Fuck. First things first, light some of this up. Looks like to be nothing that well over there, so we'll just go this way then. Got some clay if we need it. Oh, rare earth. Alright, not bad. Osmium? Yeah, that's osmium. I never trust digging straight down. I'll grab that lava here shortly. But for now, let's light some of this up to know where I'm going. Since I already want to go deeper, this works plenty well. Silver, lead. Alright. 10. Gold. Alright. The first one is zombies. I would not like to be slapped on the ass as soon as I start mining. That would not be pleasant. There we go. Lava looks like it's coming from up there. Don't drop on me. Drippy slit. Alright, there we go. Like that. Now I have 1 lava bucket that I need. And 1 zombie I can kill. Alright. Got some more zombies down there. Oh, there. uranium. I need that. Well, not really, not right now, but definitely in the future. Also gonna need that copper. I'm gonna need a lot of stuff here, honestly. But only the bare necessities. Alright, I guess I'll wait. Get some of this iron. Any more iron? Is that osmium? Yep. Osmium. God, it's taking forever. Shit, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in my mini-map. Alright, I'll save the mobs for a little bit. There we go. He could stay there. He's stuck. Alright. That's a creeper. Ah, you son of a bitch. Ah, you're so tiny. What? Why did it just disappear? Just disappeared like my fucking dad did. What the fuck? Alright. Question mark? Is that time? Oh, no, that's prosperity. Ah, got me all excited for no reason. Fuck. Do that. Nothing down here? Nope. I should probably be mining some more. There we go. There's some iron. Gonna need this. There we go. Thank you. Looks like to be... There's some more osmium there. More iron this way. Yep. 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 Alright, cool. More uranium. Get some bread up. Alright. Got some tin, osmium. More coal. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Not coal. That ain't coal. That's iron. Wait a minute. Didn't realize what the fuck I said until I was like, wait a minute, that ain't right. Man, coal surely has changed. There's some more iron. Guess I'll get some more coal while I'm here. Perfect for smelting. And so I can start making a fucking coal generator. They're efficient. There's tin. Osmium. Guess I'll take some more osmium while I can. There we go. Now there's some more coal. Definitely gonna need all this. Once I get that hammer, all this is gonna be so much more easier to mine. Alright, you dick bag. You get the fuck down here. Alright, not too much effort. I got a decent amount of coal, not a lot, but don't need a lot right now. Sorry, I have something good to smelt stuff with. Honestly, my main goal is just finding diamonds. Honestly, if I can't find diamonds, I can make them. Don't test me on the things I can do. This only requires... Alright, I may not be... I'm gonna need obsidian. Or to get obsidian, I need diamonds, or I could find it in a chest. There goes my torches. What's over here? Oh, more. Currently have no wood, but I do have a light source. The light source being lava. Oh, this is cool. Alright, there's more iron here. Aluminum, definitely need that one later. Get up there. Thank you. More copper, uranium, iron, osmium, more copper, more uranium. Man, this place has a lot of fucking uranium and copper and aluminum. That I'm gonna need later in the future. And lots of. So tin. Got some quartz, more copper, some amber. Alright. So it looks like first things first. Let's start getting some of this iron. Don't like being in the dark like this, but it's necessary. Alright. Grab some more iron. I'm gonna need a lot of this. Alright, how much iron do I have? 43, not bad. Could use some more gold. No, I haven't gotten that lucky yet. Nope, nothing up A. Yes. Walk into it. Good job, good boy. Alright. Alright. Yep. More aluminum. And extra blocks I can use. Gravel. There we go. I got some more aluminum, copper. God damn. This place is filled with copper. I'm definitely gonna say I'd love that. I'm gonna need a lot of that in the future. I've been here. Oh shit. That's an Enderman. I'm not gonna fight him. I don't need to. More osmium. Definitely need that one here soon. Copper. Oh. Up here. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna say fuck that for now. I ain't gonna bother with that. Ah. They have adapted. That works. You cannot say that did not work. Fucking creepers. You thought you had me. You thought you did. But turns out, I've had you. You've fallen right into my plans. As they always do. Alright, enough of that. Alright. Let's get the rest of this. Don't want to be fighting my fucking life with that. Alright, got some more copper. I'm gonna leave some of this stuff for now. I would mind this, but I just need diamonds, iron, and gold mostly. Oh fuck, that witch. Damn bitch. She didn't like that. Alright. Where you at? Hmm? Raise your fucking fist. Get the fuck over here. Where are you? Oh, fuck. Do bitch. Do bitch. No balls. What is... What is everything... Oh. Oh. I did not know that one. That's why I was always so fucking confused when he teleported away. I'm like, alright. Well, it looks like I learned something new. That mobs can start teleporting, but no. It's literally just an armor piece I have? What? Oh, that's crazy. That means I just suck at fucking defending. Oh, this goes down even further. Fuck. Is this another? No, it's the same ravine. Different part. Oh, I've already been this way. That there's a zombie that got stuck here. So really, if I wanted to keep on going, because my main goal is just diamonds right now. Oh fuck. Just diamonds. If I can get that, I will be fine. Ah. No diamonds, but lava did I need. Fuck. Well, can't win them all, I guess. I got other methods anyway. Other methods being as, well, you'll find out. Just straight mining anyway. Oh, alright. Alright. How the fuck did I get out? Fuck. I think this is the way, isn't it? Up, 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 up. Yeah. Possibly. Yeah, cause I'm in the other section right now. So if I just go over here, there we go. I found it. And there we go. Oh, there is other parts of this, so that's all the mobs. Get back, you son. Get back. Back. Back, I say. Back, I say. And like that. That's how you get rid of like 5 mobs. Yee. Hello there, creeper. They're helping me mine. Alright, I'll just get some of this iron here then. So I already have a way up. There's tin right there, copper right there, coal right there. So see this, whatever the fuck it is. Ah, shit. Oh, that was fucking useless. Expecting this to be bigger. Oh, just still this way. Yeah, I was expecting that to be bigger too. My eyes have grown adaptation to darkness like this. Oh, fuck. You're 4. You asshole. Do it again. One more time. Good job, idiot. You did that one to yourself. Alright. Iron there. No diamonds, unfortunately. But I guess the win is I still got gold, which I do need. I need a lot more, but this also works. So I guess it is safe to say that this ravine is pretty resource rich. So something I'm gonna just go back to. Ah, you dick. Let me get some oxygen. Let me go up the fucking water, you dick. Up the water, up the water, up the fucking water. Ah, there we go. Made it. Also got some lava down there. Ain't too bad. And like that, I do this and that. And now we also put in all this iron that I have. I should probably put in gold first. Oh well. Why the fuck did I hear robot sounds? The fuck? Oh, okay. Alright, I got it. And let's see how much iron that we have now. Alright, we had 1 ingot. Let's see how much we get now. After all this smelts. I need 60 quartz and iron plate. That's actually surprisingly easy to make. We're at 6 blocks. Oh, that's perfect. That's a lot of iron, actually. So now we can start finishing up all this. Because I'm going to make it out of some osmium. Well, my tools are going to have some osmium inside of it. And my armor and weapons, they're going to have some silver. Since silver does extra damage to mobs. 1 block of gold. Hell yeah, baby. Yeah, because I have big brain. Let's do this. Now let's finish that up. Finish. Finish. And like that. Boop, boop. Now we have all this. And since to make a hammer, what do we need to make a hammer again? We also need a fucking hammerhead, obviously. So we put that there. Where's the hammerhead? Where's the hammerhead? Ah, there it is. Get the hammerhead. Now we put this here. Now we get that. Alright. Let's put this also back inside there. And now that we have a stone hammerhead, place that there. Dump gold into that. Aha, we have plenty of gold. Now we have a hammerhead cast. And since we got some osmium in here, do you have any silver? We have some silver. Not very much gold. So let's check out before we make a cleaver, because I need a tough tool rod and a large blade. In order to make a large blade, obviously we need some more gold. So let's make this first. There we go. Got a blank cast. Now that we have a blank cast, fuck. Large blade pattern. With a large blade pattern, we put this here. Oh, we need more cobblestone. Good thing. Oh, there it is. Sorry, I was about to say, that's weird. A stone large blade. Right there, put some more gold on it. Which we just had. Ooh, we have only 1 ingot left. Fuck. Now we can start making, well, normally you can put this stuff in here. Guess not anymore. Oh well. So, you can start making a cleaver and hammers. Alright, cool. Yeah, crossbows, those are going to be next. But first, and also an excavator. We don't have enough gold for that, so fuck it. So where's my silver? Put 1 silver in there. And that silver is going to mix in with the gold. When those mix in, they're going to make it electrum, if I'm correct. If it makes electrum, then that's going to be perfect, because I believe... Oh, I'm going to need a lot more, actually. Let's first see how much this makes. Oh, I was about to say. We have 2 ingots of electrum. We also have some molten osmium, which also... Alright, let's do this. So first things first, that's going to be made out of iron. Alright. We get 2 heads, get 2 of these things. I guess I should probably clear out my inventory real quick, shouldn't I? Clear, clear, clear. Don't know what the fuck that is. Clear. Clear, clear. I'll organize these in the future. But just so you know, I'm not good at organizing. I'm just throwing it in here where I feel like it fits. Oh well. Alright, I have 1. Now we need another 1, actually. So that's going to be iron again. That's going to be a tool rod. Oh no, ooh, caught that one. That's going to be the tool rod, in which it may be made of iron too. I could make it of osmium if I wanted to. Yeah, fuck it. The head's going to be made out of... This is going to be osmium. That's going to be osmium. Now that we have this, 2 of these. Take these out real quick. Ah, because... Gotcha. So we got 2 large iron. Get that in there. Now we got this. Oh, fuck. We don't have enough osmium. Let's fix that right up. Do we not have any more osmium? Damn it. Oh, I was about to fucking say, don't fuck me like that. Whew, that scared the shit out of me. Alright, well, wait for that to smelt then real quick. But, now, we just need to... Bam, bop. Get right there. Now we see the hammerhead, which is almost done. Hurry up, please. I'm at 4 blocks, right? How much am I at now? Ooh, 10 blocks. Get all my osmium, rest of the iron in there. Alright. Get this tough tool rod, put that back in there. Ah, yes. The smeltery. Ah, I love this thing, it's a beauty. It works so well. So you can also make a frying pan. Honestly, the crossbow, I love it. The cleaver is also amazing. So let me check this out real quick. An armor forge. Ah, God, I cannot spell today. Alright, making an armor forge is basically the same thing. We see an armor station. And with 3 seared bricks, okay, I can make that. Now the osmium has smelted. Let's finish that up. Hope that's done pouring. Let's put that back up there and get some more iron out. So I'm gonna start making armor stations. I can start making some better armor, obviously. I can actually customize it. Alright, so now we have this. Aha. Well, let's see. The beautiful hammer. Oh, ain't it beautiful? Ooh, it's mining level diamond too. Alright. Now, just to demonstrate on what this thing can do. You see all this polished andesite? It does this. And the best thing about osmium, that when you mine using this, using the hammer, it gives you XP. Oh god, I'm stuck. So that's what osmium does. Honestly, Cody's amazing for that. If I had Electrium, I could have made not 2 ingots, but I don't think that would have been enough. But if I had Electrium, what I could have done then was that every time that I mined using this, there's a chance that I would get haste, and I would mine even faster than I already was. Really beneficial, and I love it. Now we have all this, so now let's just make an armor station. So get some pretty decent armor. I didn't need 4, but screw it anyway. And where's all the wood? Fuck. Shit. There it is. Got my wood. I feel like I'm gonna need this as well. Alright. Now where's the tool forge? Block of iron, armor station. Yep, called it. I'm inside the furnace. Why am I inside the furnace? Alright. Boop boop. Boop boop. There we go. Now we see a crafting table. Boop. And now we just surround this. Now we get an armor station. Now that we have an armor station, we can start working on an armor forge. I'm gonna leave the iron in there. I'm gonna need that here shortly.